Hi everyone, my name is Gervais Perron. I'm the Global Principal Geoscientist at IMDEX. I will talk to you about our in-field geoscientific analysis solution today, more about the XRF kit itself, the XRF device itself, the software that enables the capture of the information of the data, and the analysis of the data using the IOGAS software is pretty much the entire solution that we are providing to the resource companies as well. So the pXRF, which stands for portable X-ray fluorescence, basically analyzes the concentration of elements in a rock sample between magnesium and uranium. And we give up about 35 elements, the concentration of 35 elements in your sample. So that sample could be a rock sample on core, or it could be soil analysis, and that can be all captured using the portable XRF. The theory behind it is that when bombarded with X-rays, different element produces characteristic energy rays coming back that we detect using the XRF device. And that allows us to say, yeah, that rock has got that many iron in it or copper in it. And that gives you access to semi-quantitative data really fast. So it takes about a minute and a half to get the results, so that you can decide to either continue a drill hole or eventually do all rock geochemistry analysis on samples as well. So the data flows from there to the XRF Connect software that allows us to control the device and take the sample, QC/QA the samples. It's very important to either check periodically if the sensor is contaminated with different elements, so we don't want that to happen. So we run those blank surveys so we can know exactly how the instruments respond to that. And then once in a while we also compare our results to certified reference materials, CRM materials. So those can be provided by several companies in here, so we know the exact amount of concentration of iron and copper, for example, in those samples, so that we can check the validity of our instruments against those certified materials. So once we do that, we also collect data from all of our data on our core samples, for example. We record the from and to depth and everything. And then we can basically give an estimate over a certain amount of rock about how much concentration of different elements are in there. So again, between magnesium and uranium. So elements that are too light cannot be detected, and some other elements cannot be detected that requires much more energy to excite the electrons that constitute that element. So once we do that, we can upload that data into our HubIQ. So that's really a way for geologists to have a look at all the data coming in from the XRF in the core shack. So that they can sit anywhere in the world. It goes in the cloud, so they can further do the QC/QA on that data and get reliable and consistent results from the XRF machine. So once the data has been captured by the XRF solution and move into XRF Connect and QC/QA and put in the cloud, then we can use IOGAS to bring that data in and to do explorative data analysis on it, and further analysis to understand the geological processes that have been affecting the rocks. So alteration and mineralization, for example. So we can use that software to further down our analysis, and then put the data into a repository like Acquire, or do modeling connecting IOGAS to things like Sequent Leapfrog. So we rent this entire system for resource companies. So we provide both XRF Connect, the device, the sensor itself, and iogas as well, so that people have a complete solution, and CRM materials, so people have complete solution and can take consistent data and hopefully be able to take enlightened decisions about exploration campaigns. Thank you very much. Cheers.